Hello everyone. Welcome to the step-by-step guide on filling out the IIFT MA Economics 2025 application form. Don't worry, this is one of the easiest forms to fill out and it will only take you 2 to 3 minutes to complete. As you can see on the screen, the requirements are minimal. Make sure you have all the necessary details handy before you start. The application link has been provided below in the description box, so be sure to check it out. If you're interested in learning more about the paper pattern, the syllabus, exam date, we have got you covered. A separate link is provided below for that as well. So do not forget to check out the description box. Now, let's get started with the application process. We will take it one step at a time and I'll guide you through each section. So let's begin. Once you click on the application link below, you will get two options. One is to register and the other is to log in. I'm going to register myself first. So kindly enter your email ID and then your mobile number. And then click on register. They will also show your password here, which you can copy just in case you want to log in. And don't worry, even if you forget to copy, the same is mailed to you. So you can check your mail. Once that is done, I get the application form. So I have to enter my name, my father's name, my mother's name, the category I belong to, the gender, my date of birth. And since there is no age limit, a person as old as 1900s, as they say, can apply. Then I have to select my degree. So go through it well. Then the name of the university. Then whether you're appearing or you've already appeared. So since I've already done my graduation, I'm going to click on no. Then select the year of passing. Okay, then select your score type, whether it was percentage or CGPA. For me, it was percentage. Then the marks obtained and the percentage. You need to calculate that on your own. And then you have to fill in your address, line 1, address line 2, the city that you belong to, the state you belong to, and its PIN code. Once that is done, just take a moment to go through the details that you have entered. Make sure there is no spelling mistake, okay, and that you've filled in all the details well. After that is done, please click on proceed to upload your photograph and signature. Then kindly choose the file. After you choose the file, click on the upload button, only then will it get uploaded. Then choose your signature, click on upload. And once that is done, click on proceed. You can verify all the details and also just make sure that you choose your campus preference well. Which campus do you want to go to and the campus for which you want to opt for interview. If you don't choose any, by default, they are going to take Delhi. So just make sure that is chosen well, because interview has to be given physically by going to that particular campus. After you've verified all the information and you're satisfied and you think you don't need to make any changes, click on confirm and submit. If you feel like you want to make any changes, click on edit form. Since I'm satisfied with the information, I'm going to click on confirm and submit. And this way my form is submitted, and now I will be taken to the payment page where you have to click here on the online payment link to make the payment. Okay, and since I was general category, I have to pay 1600 rupees. For other categories, it is 800. Also, make sure that after the payment, fill in the transaction ID and date here. So make sure to, that you've taken down the note. You've noted down the transaction ID and transaction date so that you can fill it up here and then click on complete the process. And that is it. It was this simple. So I hope this was helpful, and we'll see you in the classes soon. If you have any queries or any doubts regarding the exams or the upcoming exams, feel free to drop it down in the comment section below, and we'll see you in the classes soon. Thank you so much.